I'm going to show you how this is unique from any gun rack available. Right now this is in the way. Well, all you have to do in our particular gun rack is the clip there. You take it out. We provide this rubber cover. You sit over your stud. And as you can see right now, this is fully protected by this rubber cover. It's out of the way. You have anybody you want to ride in this thing, our gun grabber is completely out of the way. To reinsert it, take the rubber cover off, slip it in. You're good to go, babe. Got your gun rack set up. It's that good for this 525. This is the only gun rack in the industry that you can do this.